Want to know how to integrate CLI into Snyk? So integrating CLI is super simple, as you can just simply copy paste codes and some command prompts which should be given within the website itself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up and log in snyk.io, and you should be under the dashboard by default. So if you're not, on the left side you should be seeing dashboard, just simply select that, and here you should be seeing choose integration, and now just simply select CLI. Now just simply select next step, and now you can just simply install Snyk CLI. So for that, just simply head towards the command prompt and then just simply type in this right here. Select next step and then authenticate with your Snyk account. So again, just simply select Snyk authenticate, which opens a browser window with prompts to log in. Let's simply go to next step and then scan for security changes, and now just simply copy paste this code as well and then select go to project space. Now it would automatically be integrated with CLI, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.